Today Kelly is making a vegetable burrito for lunch.
Okay, my pan is nice and hot already, so I'm going to just sprinkle a little of my avocado oil on here. You don't necessarily have to use avocado, you can use olive oil, any kind of oil you have. I've sliced up some, I just had some red onion sitting around, some sweet pepper and some mushrooms, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Start to saute that up. I also had some broccoli sitting in the fridge, so I went ahead and steamed that up. Pretty much just any kind of veggies that you have on hand. I don't think you can go wrong with any veggie that you put in it. I'm going to keep mixing this up here. We're going to cook this till these soften up a little bit with the peppers and the onions. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of minced garlic in there. Go ahead and throw that little bit of broccoli that I have. Sprinkle on a little bit of soy sauce just to get a little flavor. And mix this up a little bit. And I have some black beans. And sprinkle some of that in there. I'm going to add a little bit of corn in there as well. I'll just mix this up and let it get warmed all the way through. Okay, for a little extra flavor, I'm just going to sprinkle on a little bit of cumin. You don't want to go overboard with it. A little goes a long way. And a little bit of cayenne pepper to give it a little bit of a kick. Again, just a little bit. Smells good. Alright, now that this is cooked all the way through, I'm going to go ahead and take this off of here. I'm going to get this pan up and up to temperature. This over here. And we're going to start building our burrito. We just were in a Trader Joe's a couple days ago. So they have this soy blend we like pretty well. Right now it's hard to find what we're looking for in the cheeses and stuff like that. So first I guess I should add some refried beans. So I'll put a little bit on the bottom. Sprinkle some cheese across there. A little goes a long way. On the vegan cheese, it really gets creamy and spreads a lot. Go ahead and scoop my veggies in. I also made some brown rice earlier, so I will go ahead and add some rice in there. And then we have a little bit of dairy-free sour cream. I got this at Aldi. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Once this is all gone, I will actually show you how to make homemade sour cream. I just didn't want this to go to waste. I'm just going to put a little bit over the top here. And then a little bit of fresh salsa that I've got. Just fold the sides over. Hopefully we can keep this all in here, not making a mess. Roll it up. And I'm just going to stick it in the warmed up pan here and let it get toasted on each side. Okay, now that the sides are all toasted up, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this off. Bring it over here and cut it. And Scott and I will be sharing this. Also, I didn't mention, you know, if you want like guacamole, avocado, anything like that, you could put that on there with it. I'm not a fan of avocado, so I didn't. And then we're just going to eat this with some chips and salsa. Okay, after I finished, Scott asked if we could have a little cheese sauce on his. So what I'm going to do, which I don't know if this is the way you should be doing it, I'm just going to go ahead and throw some of this on here. My shredded cheese. I'm going to put a little bit of non-dairy milk in there to make sure it's not flavored in any way. And then I'm going to put a little bit of nutritional yeast in there. Get this to melt down a little bit. Probably should have grabbed a smaller pan to do this in, but this one was already warm. You could add salt and pepper to taste if you'd like. This just gives you a nice little bit of melted cheese that I can pour over the top of that for him, or for him to dip it in.
Here's a yummy, cheesy veggie burrito.